We are pleased to show you the 2025 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, remote start, hill descent control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.